cars are not just machines. They are reflections of passion, craftsmanship, and the art of engineering. The Bristol 411, often described as a hidden gem in the world of luxury automobiles, remains a captivating blend of elegance and performance. Manufactured between 1969 and 1976 by the boutique British carmaker Bristol Cars, the 411 was a testament to the brand's commitment to exclusivity and individuality. Its reputation as a car as luxurious as a Bentley but much faster stems from its unique balance of refined comfort and powerful performance. Designed for discerning drivers, the Bristol 411 exuded understated elegance. Its hand-built nature ensured each model was tailored to perfection, featuring premium materials and meticulous attention to detail. The interior boasted plush leather upholstery, wood veneer finishes, and an ergonomic layout that prioritized driver comfort. Despite being less overtly opulent than Bentley models, the 411 offered a sophisticated ambiance that appealed to those who preferred subtle luxury over extravagant displays. The car underwent several modifications throughout its production to refine its design and enhance its performance. Early versions of the 411 were powered by a 6.3-liter Chrysler V8 engine, providing exceptional acceleration and a top speed of over 140 mph. Later iterations, such as the Series 4 and Series 5, received an upgraded 6.6-liter V8 engine, improving both power and efficiency. These advancements made the Bristol 411 one of the fastest luxury cars of its era, outpacing many contemporary rivals, including Bentleys, which prioritized smoothness over outright speed. While Bentley vehicles, particularly the T-Series of the same era, were celebrated for their grandiose interiors and advanced amenities, the Bristol 411 focused on delivering a seamless fusion of performance and luxury. Its lightweight construction and aerodynamic design contributed to its impressive agility, while its chassis offered a comfortable yet engaging driving experience. This made it a favorite among motoring enthusiasts, who sought both sophistication and thrill in their vehicles. The exclusivity of the Bristol 411 further enhanced its allure. With limited production numbers, each car represented a bespoke creation, catering to an elite clientele. The attention to craftsmanship ensured durability and timeless appeal, allowing the 411 to maintain its status as a collector's item. Today, the Bristol 411 continues to hold a special place in the hearts of car enthusiasts and collectors. Prices for well-preserved examples vary significantly, often ranging from $100,000 to $150,000, depending on the condition and series. Its rarity, combined with its unique blend of luxury and performance, contributes to its enduring value in the classic car market. The debate over whether the Bristol 411 is as luxurious as a Bentley but much faster highlights its distinct identity. While it may not match Bentley's extravagant interiors or widespread recognition, the 411 offers compelling alternative for those who appreciate understated refinement paired with exhilarating speed. It stands as a symbol of a bygone era when cars were crafted to reflect the personality of their owners, embodying the perfect fusion of art and engineering. With its timeless design and unparalleled driving experience, the Bristol 411 remains a remarkable example of British automotive ingenuity, continuing to captivate those who value luxury and performance in equal measure.